Hey, what's up everybody? I'm here with the Yoyovac vacuum seal compression bags for travel. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything I love about these bags, everything I might not love about these bags, as well as do a couple tests. I want to see how waterproof it is, how much can we really stuff into these bags, and lastly, how small can we get the bag with the vacuum provided. Yoyovac and I have teamed up to give a set of these away to one lucky subscriber. So if you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the giveaway details. So without further ado, this is what I love about these Yoyovac vacuum bags. First thing I love about this is the size. It is made for suitcases, carry-ons, backpacks, but then you come over here and look at how big it is when it is expanded all the way. We got about 6 inches of depth, not to mention the lid adds an extra 1.5 inches or so. So we really could stuff a lot in here, especially if you know what you're doing. Okay. First thing I love about it, the size. Second thing I love about it, the waterproof material. This is without a doubt waterproof. And I'm going to show you right now exactly how waterproof it is with a quick little test. All right, we've made it to our storm simulator to see how waterproof this thing is. While we do this waterproof test, let me tell you the third thing I love about these bags. Comes with AirTag type tracker where you can track your bags no matter where they are. Whether you get separated from your luggage or not, you don't have to be concerned knowing that you have the abilities to track your luggage no matter where it is. Well thought out. Thank you to the geniuses over at Yoyovac. All right, now let's check back in on this water test. It's literally just sitting in the water. If this comes out dry, I'm gonna be insanely impressed. All right, let's pull this out. Time for the moment of truth. We just got back from the waterproof test and now it's time to see the results. And before I open it, I will say it feels like it's absorbed water. And maybe it has some type of waterproof on the inside or liner or something to make sure that it doesn't get in. But ultimately, it still feels kind of like it's holding water somehow in the fabric itself. It's still wet even after I've dried it off. And usually waterproof material, it kind of just runs off. That wasn't necessarily the case. So let's open this up and see if anything got wet on the inside. Absolutely dry. Not even a little bit is wet. And I wish you could feel this because look how wet it is on the outside. But then not even a little bit of water is on this side. Remarkable. 10 out of 10. Well done. All right, since it passed the waterproof test, you got to give this video a like and subscribe if you want to keep improving your travels and adventures. Okay, let's get on with it. Fourth thing that I love about these, if this bag is waterproof, it's also airtight, meaning you're not going to lose your seal throughout your journeys. It's going to stay compact and nice and tight, just like this. The zippers, the seams, everything that they put onto these bags were done very carefully with a lot of thought to make it as good of a compression bag as possible and as waterproof as it is. So that's a score. Fifth, and probably the final thing that I want to share about these vacuum bags. If you're subscribed to this channel, you know that we love outdoors, seeing the world that we live in. Because this is completely waterproof, I want to take this on adventures. Super lightweight too. It's basically nothing. So this makes it a super valuable asset when backpacking or going out into the outdoors where you might want to keep certain things completely dry and secure within your bag. Now continuing that theme with the outdoors, this thing's pretty sweet. Vacuum, look how small this is. Easily fits in the palm of your hand. It has the ability to inflate or deflate. When you turn it on, it also is a lantern with 3 different brightness settings, which is actually insanely bright. And then you also get your strobes, which I never really use. It's also a lantern, so you can hang this up in your tent. If you're going out in the outdoors, you can hang this up in your car. You can hang this up wherever you might need light. So that's just a cool little feature. It's rechargeable with a USB-C, and check out the power behind this thing. That's a deception. Super nifty little tool, which makes a great asset for my outdoor adventures and for my types of travels. Now let's go on to the things that I might not love so much about these bags. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. So if I could come up with any complaints for this bag, I would say one, and this is kind of a stretch, would be the zipper is a little bit tight. It's a little bit hard to zip up sometimes. Honestly, it's not that hard. It's not that heavy, but it is heavy duty. And if that keeps the air tight and if that keeps the water out, I'm not really complaining too much. It's not a real complaint because I don't really care that much. And I don't know if you will either, but if I had to search for something, maybe that might be a complaint that some people have. Besides that, these things are absolutely awesome. Let's get into the final 2 tests, see how much we can really stuff into these vacuum bags, and then lastly, see how small we can make it, because that's what you want to see. So I grabbed some of the bulkiest items of clothing I could find, including jeans, linen pants, heavy pants, knits. I got some hoodies and a sweater, a bunch of shirts, and a bunch of shorts. This is honestly enough for me, my wife, and my daughter all into this one bag. But let's just compress this down and see how it goes. Woohoo! That is a lot of clothes. Clearly, we could have fit more. So we had to take this to the next level and see if we could fit a pillow from off my bed. Oh, we could totally get this to close. Stop it right now. Let's do this. All right. That's pretty awesome. This is clearly going to fit into any carry-on. I got to show this to my family. You're going to want to hear the reactions. Did you hear that?
I did. Oh my goodness.
Just like all the clothes I could find.
Holy cow.
Just like chock full.
This is like an entire dresser drawer's worth.
Everything I could find, I shoved in here.
Amazing.
Pretty cool, huh?
Pretty cool.
That's a big pillow.
Yeah. Just another recap. What we love about these vacuum bags. They're insanely durable. They're super heavy duty. They're a luxurious, high quality material. They're waterproof. They keep water out. They keep the air in. And they're very effective in maximizing your space. They shrink down to about 1/3 of the size of what it would normally be, up to 90%. So why does that matter? It means that you can avoid extra baggage fees, taking excess baggage that you don't necessarily need. And also, it reduces the hassle of having to bring multiple bags. If you can condense everything into one bag, why would you not want to do that? This is such a great asset and a tool. I love all the value provided in this bundle. You get a global tracker, this vacuum/lantern combination. Then you have 2 of these heavy duty vacuum bags that are also insanely lightweight, not to mention insanely resilient and durable. Almost forgot, it also comes with a handheld scale. Such a great bang for your buck. So here's the details for the giveaway. To enter this giveaway, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment the word WIN, W-I-N. That's all you gotta do. And if you just can't wait to get your hands on this bag, I've gone ahead and linked it in the description below where you can access it, get some more details and information on this bag at their website. That's it. Enter the giveaway. May the odds be ever in your favor. Good luck, and I'll catch you in the next video.